Okay, I'm going to update my Harbor Freight Zurich ZR13. I thought I'd show you guys. I've not done it before. We're going to see how it goes. It's being powered by batteries right now. So we'll turn it on. And then let me go into the menu. Let me go to firmware version. And this is what the firmware version is here prior to updating. So from your computer, what you want to do is you'll go to the internet. You'll go to the page with your ZR13 Code Reader. Come down here to the description. Go to the tab that says Software Update. And then you go down here and you'll click to download the program, the installer program. Once that downloads, what you're going to get is a zipped file. And inside there will be the program, the executable, which you see there on the left. You'll click that and install it. What's interesting is when it installs in the root of the C drive, it has this folder which is empty, but it says Innova. And I don't have any other Innova products installed. So I've heard rumors that this is made by Innova, so this must prove it. Your system may be different, but in the C program files, the x86 folder, it does install a folder, Zurich Updater. Next, you'll want to go down to the application file called Zurich Updater, and it brings up the application. Now I've got it check marked that I will start the Zurich Updater manually when I need it. No sense in having programs just start up at startup that aren't even going to be used. So you do get a USB cord when you buy the reader. Now what I'm going to do is plug it in. Plugs in at the bottom. Let's see what happens. So follow instructions on the PC. A firmware update is available for your device. Would you like to update and install now? So I'm going to hit yes to update. So right now it is updating everything. And at this point, we'll stop the video. I'll let it do its thing, and we'll come back to it after it's done. Just to show a little bit of the progress. Just checking more of the progress. It says it is now erasing the database. Please wait. Throughout this process, my code reader unit here is just on battery, so I would probably highly recommend that when you're doing this, to continue the process, that it is that it's got good batteries. Mission accomplished. That's what it looks like once all the updates, the unit has been updated and completed. And as you can see, it does say updated. So now I'm going to disconnect the handset and let me turn it on. Let me show you something. I'm going to turn it on. And it says there are currently no saved vehicles in the tool. So before it would always save my Honda CR-V. So remember that when you do this, it's going to erase that information. By the way, the date of this video is Saturday, January 19th, 2019. Okay, let's see what it updated to. Prior to the update, all the old numbers were, the firmware was version 02.04.00, the bootloader was version 02.01.01, and the database was a version 02.03.02. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference here in the update. Also, the copyright was 2017. Here we have 2018. So it's a simple process. Worked out very well.